What if computers could solve problems too complex for today's physics? I'm sure you've heard the buzz around quantum computing, but what's the big deal? Let's break it down. Quantum theory and computer science joined forces. Suddenly the impossible started looking possible. Tech giants like IBM, tech giants like Google plus nimble startups are racing to build the first truly stable quantum computers, machines powered by qubits that can do what classical bits can't. Why now? Because our biggest challenges, climate modeling, breaking, encryption training, next-gen AIs, are hitting the limits of today's supercomputers. Here's the analogy. Classical computers count with fingers, quantum computers count in parallel universes. In the next decade, businesses could access quantum cloud power that leaves today's fastest machines in the dust. Quantum computing isn't just faster, it will make today's supercomputers look small. The future, it's about to get a lot more interesting. Quantum computing will make today's supercomputers look small.